There are basically 6 criteria for hijab given in the glorious Quran and Hadith regarding the clothing of hijab. The first is the extent. As far as for the man is concerned, the extent is from the navel to the knee. For the woman, the complete body should be covered. The only parts that can be seen are the face and the hands up to the wrist. The remaining 5 criteria for the man and the woman are the same. The second is the clothes they wear, they should be loose. It should not be tight-fitting so that it reveals the figure. The third, it should not be transparent or translucent so that a person can see through it. Fourth, it should not be so glamorous so that it attracts the opposite sex. Fifth, it should not resemble that of the opposite sex. And sixth, it should not resemble that of the unbeliever. These are basically the 6 criteria for hijab regarding clothing, but this does not constitute the complete hijab. The complete hijab, besides the hijab of the clothing, also includes the behavior, the conduct, the attitude, as well as the intention of the person. Besides the hijab of the clothing, there's hijab of the eyes, hijab of the heart, hijab of the mind, hijab of the thought. It even includes the way a person talks, the way a person walks, the way a person behaves. This is the complete hijab.